5 startups, one of India's largest car manufacturers, and a partnership that goes well beyond buying technology off a shelf. Maruti Suzuki has announced its 5th cohort of the Maruti Suzuki incubation program, run in partnership with NSR CEL, the startup incubator at IIM Bangalore. 5 AI and deep tech companies co-creating solutions across operational efficiency, customer experience, and sustainability directly inside one of India's most complex manufacturing operations. Now, each startup has been selected to solve a specific business challenge inside Maruti Suzuki. Mini Minds will develop environmentally friendly recycling solutions for end-to-life lithium-ion batteries. The startup will also focus on extracting valuable materials from used batteries, thereby supporting India's growing circular economy for electric vehicles. EaseWork AI will deploy agentic AI to automate procurement workflows related to indirect consumables, which will help improve speed, efficiency, and decision-making in purchasing operations. Then we have Sarvam AI, which will build multilingual generative AI agents designed to improve customer interactions across multiple touchpoints. It shall be making customer support more natural and accessible in different Indian languages. Then we have Siftly, which will use generative AI to strengthen Maruti Suzuki's brand visibility, and CodeMate AI will accelerate software application development, helping automate and improve business processes across the company. Now, Maruti says these startups will work directly with its internal teams to solve real business challenges and deploy practical solutions inside of the company. It's an example of how India's largest manufacturers are increasingly using startups for core business operations. Now, what's particularly interesting is the range of technologies involved. Artificial intelligence is being used for customer engagement, procurement automation, brand management, and software development. Now, all of this is happening at the same time. According to Managing Director and CEO Hisashi Takeuchi, Maruti Suzuki has been actively working with startups to co-create innovative and practical solutions that address real business challenges. And this partnership builds on an innovation ecosystem the company has spent years developing. Now, Maruti Suzuki has launched its accelerator program in January of 2019 to collaborate with growth stage startups working on advanced technologies. Now, in August of 2020, it introduced the incubation program with NSR CEL at IIM Bangalore, supporting early-stage mobility startups through mentorship and access to one of India's leading entrepreneurship ecosystems. Now then comes June of 2021, and the company launched the Mobility Challenge, helping mature startups showcase their innovations. In 2023, it introduced the Nurture program with IIM Calcutta Innovation Park, focusing on pre-incubation support for idea stage startups. And in September of 2025, it launched Fundraise in partnership with ISB Hyderabad, designed to improve investment readiness for startups graduating from these very programs. Now, since 2019, Maruti Suzuki has screened around 7,400 startups. It is actively engaged with more than 250 and has onboarded 38 startups as business partners. Now, for quite some time, large corporations relied primarily on in-house research and development. Today, rather than building every solution internally, companies are progressively partnering with innovators already working at the cutting edge. Now, the question I have for you is, could partnerships like these become the fastest way for India's manufacturing giants to stay competitive in the AI era? Or are startups becoming the invisible innovation engine behind India's biggest companies without the recognition? Please do let us know. What are your thoughts in the comments below? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.